This will be the best Olymp trade trading signals, with high accuracy and compatible to both phone and PC or laptop. First, we must secure returns of 80% or higher to achieve the best results using our trading signals. Take a look at this. We have a 1-minute USD CAD sell alert confirmation. As shown on the chart, this is the best spot to trade going down. The signal algorithm is based on 1-minute trading, which means it can detect 1-minute reversals on an open candle. As the trade moves down, there was a large uptrend candle that caused a loss. We were slightly late entering the trade. We will continue trading with our signals. We have Euro USD and Euro CAD, both gave uptrend signals. Let's navigate to their Olymp trade currency pairs and trade them one by one. As of now, we were late to trade Euro CAD. The trend has already moved upward, so it's not a good spot to force a trade. We will wait for the next opportunity. We completed our trade and achieved good results. CHF-JPY showed a down signal, but we couldn't trade it on Olymp Trade because it only offered a 30% ROI. Fortunately, we avoided CHF-JPY, as it resulted in a loss. AUD-NZD gave a sell signal. And as we can see, it gives only for 30% in return. Euro CHF also showed an up signal. Both offered only 30% ROI. But both trades were winners. CAD CHF, an uptrend signal, but it only offers for 30%, and we will not deal with it. Another win on that. See the rest of the video and have this trading signals at pipgems.com. This app is perfect for beginners who wants easy automation with their entries without installation of any programs. We got another up signal here, Euro JPY, an uptrend opportunity, and we can see that the currency got 80% in return. A good opportunity to go up on this. The trend goes up. And a winning trade on that. Euro USD a down signal. And got the best spot here to trade going down. Perfect trading signals.